Alright, so now we've got all our notes and Bible references and such in to the live event. So now I just need to make sure everything's in order, and then I need to preview everything before it ends. There is a video that I had that goes through all this, but I thought it might be good just to touch over it once more. So in case, for instance, sometimes whenever you don't use Safari, if you use like Google Chrome or Firefox, a lot of this stuff goes out of order. It just throws it all out of whack, and I'm not quite sure why, but it does. So we need to make sure that everything's in order and that everything's the way it should be. So first off, I would just make sure that everything from your outline is as it should be. So I Am Jesus Week 2 is the first thing, John 11:25 is the second thing, the third thing should be John 11:1 and 3, and then John 11:4, and then dead ends, dead ends, dead ends. So just make sure that that follows the way that it should. So that's the main thing there. The next thing that you need to make sure is that everything else is in order. So at the beginning of your event, you'll have this general link, and it's the bod.tv general link. It's going to have our bod.tv URL, and it's going to have these words here. The second thing should be the invite your friends, the share, and it just simply says join me at the bod.tv. And there's the video that I mentioned before that covers the order, also covers how to create each one of these in detail. So these should be already created though for you. The last thing you're going to do is the talk it over. The talk it over questions should be at the end, and you'll put them in there as well. The online giving and then the other online giving link should be back to back following the prayer needs and talk it over. So talk it over, prayer needs, 2 online giving links, and then the connection should be the last thing. That'll be the last thing in your items list. Alright, so I did mention the talk it over question, so I want to make sure that I let you know where to get those. It's going to be in network resources on open.lifechurch.tv as well. You're going to go to I Am Jesus, or the series that you're on, and then you're going to go to whatever that series or that message that week is. So we're doing I Am the Resurrection of Life. You're going to go to Talk It Over Questions and click that direct download link there. That'll download that, open that up, that file up, and you're going to copy and paste your Talk It Over questions from there. You're going to do these key questions. What's one idea from the message that really stood out to you? These 3 or 4 questions, there's usually not more than 4. You're going to copy and paste those and put those in to the live event. So you've done all that, you've got it all set, you put in your Talk It Over questions, and you're ready to go. The last thing that you do is you go to preview. Just make sure that everything's in the right order this way. So it's kind of like your second look over everything. And then you should be done. It should automatically update and should be good to go. So what I like to do is I like to pull up the Bible app on my phone at this point and make sure everything looks right on there. And then I'll have somebody else look over it. Like for me, I usually have Kelsey look over it just to make sure that everything looks all right, so that we don't have any really bad misspellings on Sunday or something like that. So if you have any questions, feel free to call me or shoot me an email, joshb@thebod.tv, and I'll be happy to help you with those. Thank you very much.